back to Mishy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making egg and bacon breakfast, and our ingredients are egg, bacon and oil. But first, before we start cooking, we need to do our 3 rules, which is washing our hands before we start cooking, or wearing an apron to protect ourselves from the messes, and always asking an adult for help when you're using the stove, knives or the oven. So let's go wash our hands. Okay, now that we've finished drying our hands, we can start cutting up our bacon with scissors, so that, because if you're using a knife it will be a little more harder. Okay, now we're done with that, we can set this aside and we can start breaking our eggs into a bowl. Okay, so now that we've cracked our eggs, we can whisk them, but we're not going to put any seasoning in them because the bacon already has a lot of salt in it. So let's whisk. Okay, so now we can drizzle some oil onto our pan now that we put it onto medium heat. Just very little oil because the bacon will give out its own oil already. So we put very little oil now, and we're just going to let it go around the pan for a little while. Okay, so now we're going to put the bacon in our oil and mix it. Okay, so now we're just going to spread it out and let it rest for a little bit. Okay, so now you can see it's bringing out its own juice, so we're just going to let that juice come out as we fry it. Okay, so now you can see it's a little bit brown and not that pink, so we can now pour the egg. We're going to turn it because we don't want it to stay like this, we want it in a scrambled form. Okay, so as we can see, when I'm mixing it, I'm also using my spoon to scrape the bottom so it does not stick. Okay, so once you can see it's dry, it's ready, so you can turn the heat down, off, and take it out and get ready to eat. Okay, so now we're done and we've presented the food. We are going to, you can see how beautiful and nice and bright it looks. So I'm sorry you guys can't taste it, but I'm going to taste it for you and tell you how it tastes. Well, I really think this is the best egg I've ever had for breakfast. Anyways, please like and subscribe this video and see you next time on Mishy's Kitchen.